The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, eastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Rockford to Chicago and moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chicago, Rockford, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, and Lombard. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Intense thunderstorm lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.